Okay, so we've been given that in a non-right angle triangle. So let's take this as a triangle. P, Q, R. Let PQR denote the lengths of the sides opposite to the angles at PQ and R. So this length would be P, this length would be Q, and this length would be R. The median from R meets the side PQ at S. So the median from R meets the side PQ at S. So these SQ and SV are the same length, that is R by 2. Now the perpendicular from P meets the side QR at E. Perpendicular from E meets the side QR at E. And RS and PE intersect at O. RS and PE intersect at point O. If P is equal to root 3 and Q is equal to 1, and the radius of the circumcircle of the triangle PQR equals 1, then which of the following options is or are correct? Alright, so first, using the sine law, we have that sine R by R is equal to sine P by root 3, since P is equal to root 3, is equal to sine Q by 1, because Q is 1, is equal to 1 by 2R, capital R, where capital R is the radius of the circumcircle, which has been given to us as 1. So let's substitute that. So we get 1 by 2. Now from here we get the values of sine P, sine Q and sine R, and hence the values of the angles P, Q and R. So angle P can either be pi by 3 or 2 pi by 3, and angle Q can either be pi by 6 or 5 pi by 6. Now the length of P is greater than Q. This implies that angle P is greater than angle Q. So if P is equal to pi by 3 and Q is equal to pi by 6, then R is equal to pi by 2. But we've been given that the triangle is a non-right angle triangle. So this cannot be possible. Therefore, P is equal to 2 by 3 and Q is equal to R is equal to pi by 6. These are the correct angle dimensions. Alright. Now from the sine law, we have that sine R by R is equal to 1 by 2. So from here we get that small r, that is this side, is equal to 1. Alright. Now let's try to calculate RS. Now RS is the median, and we know that the formula of the length of a median is equal to half root of 2 times square of first side plus 2 times square of second side minus third side, square of third side. So let's apply this formula here. We get RS is equal to half 2 into square of first side, so 6, plus 2 into square of second side, 2, minus square of third side, so 1. So we get the answer root 7 by 2, which is the correct option. Now let's try to calculate the radius of the in circle of the triangle PQR. We know that which is the in radius. So now we know that the formula for in radius is equal to area of triangle by sum of sides into 2. So let's apply that formula here, and on simplifying we get the radius as root 3 by 2 minus root 3, which is the given value in the option. So this is also correct. Now we need to find the area of the triangle SOE. This is S. So we need to find the area of the triangle SOE. Now here we can see that triangle SEF is equal to 1 by 4 area of triangle PQR. Triangle SEF is equal to 1 by 4 area of triangle PQR. And area of triangle SOE is equal to 1 by 3 area of triangle SEF. Right? So on substituting the value of area of SEF from here, we get 1 by 12 area of PQR. On substituting the values here, we finally get the answer as root 3 by 48. This is not the given value in the option, therefore this option is wrong. Now we need to find OE. OE. Now we can see that OE is equal to 1/3 of PE, and we can calculate the value of PE from the formula of length of median, as PE here acts as a median, right? So let's substitute the values. 1/3 for PE we have 1/2 root 2 plus 2 minus 3, which comes from the formula 1/2 root 2 times first side square plus 2 times second side square minus third side square. So finally we get the value as 1/6, which is the same as given in the option. So this option is also correct.